Hello everyone, and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we're going to take a look at a pattern that is used for system migration called the Strangler Pattern. Let's go ahead and take a look at the details of what the Strangler Pattern is and how it is used. The Strangler Pattern is a strategy for system migration. It adapts to new requirements and technologies, managing complexity and modernizing legacy systems. This pattern allows gradual migration, minimizing disruptions. It's popular due to its effectiveness and risk reduction. The Strangler Pattern is a software migration strategy inspired by the Strangler fig tree. It incrementally replaces parts of a legacy system with new functionalities, allowing organizations to migrate systems in stages, reducing risk, and ensuring continuous functionality. The first step in the Strangler Pattern is to identify a starting point. This involves finding the easiest part of the legacy system to replace or refactor, such as self-contained services or pain points. The new functionality is developed separately using modern architecture, running alongside the existing legacy system. After building the new module, incoming traffic is directed to the new system while the legacy system continues to operate, ensuring a smooth transition. The incremental replacement process involves gradually introducing new functionalities to replace parts of the legacy system. This is done in small, manageable steps to minimize risk and disruption, ensuring continuous improvement and keeping the system up to date. Once all critical functionalities are replaced, the legacy system can be fully decommissioned. The new system operates independently, effectively phasing out the old system. The Strangler Pattern offers reduced risk by allowing incremental migration of system parts. This avoids the big bang approach, preventing significant downtime or failure. The Strangler Pattern supports continuous delivery by allowing new features to be added without disrupting normal operations. Each part of the system can be replaced and immediately handle traffic. The adaptability of the migration pattern offers flexibility. Organizations can prioritize critical components and integrate modern technologies without refactoring the entire system. Modernizing parts of the system reduces complexity and technical debt, making it easier to maintain and upgrade in the future. Managing hybrid systems with the Strangler Pattern involves handling both legacy and new systems, creating complexity in traffic routing and data consistency. Incremental migration can lead to increased development time. This extended period requires supporting both the legacy and new systems. Dependency issues in legacy system migration arise due to deep interdependencies between components. Untangling these dependencies can be challenging and may require significant refactoring before functionalities can be migrated. The Strangler Pattern is perfect for modernizing legacy systems. It allows a controlled transition to modern architectures like microservices or cloud-based platforms. Organizations can use the Strangler Pattern to adopt new technologies incrementally, preventing disruption of current operations. This method introduces new technologies in small, manageable pieces. The Strangler Pattern allows for phased migration of critical systems, ensuring continuous operation. This approach minimizes downtime and reduces the risk of major failures. In summary, the Strangler Pattern provides a low-risk, incremental approach to system migration. It replaces legacy systems with modern components, reducing risk and ensuring continuous delivery. While managing hybrid systems can be complex, the benefits, such as ease of maintenance, make it a popular choice for modernizing technology stacks. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another video soon. If you'd like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel.